Hello and welcome to Chris is So Crafty. My name is Kristen. I'm really happy that you're here with me today. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas filled with great food, quality time with friends and family, and of course moments to relax and enjoy the season. My husband and I were lucky enough to be able to spend time with both sides of our family and with our friends. We spent Christmas Eve all day with our children and our grandchildren and made so many wonderful memories. We played games, we had lots of food, way too much food. I don't know how to make a meal without making too much. But it was wonderful, and we really enjoyed our time with family. I wanted to take a moment to do a little recap of the past year for 2025 for both my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. So in 2025, I posted 127 videos on my YouTube channel. Now, for me, that's a record. That's the most I've ever shared in a single year, ever. On top of that, I also posted over 50 various posts on my Facebook page, various content. These posts ranged from short videos to written tutorials, just quick little written tutorials, and even simple ideas and different advice on different crafts. And I love being able to share all of that with you. Today is December 31st, 2025, and I just wanted to take a moment to wish you all a very happy new year. As we say goodbye to this year, I'm so grateful for each and every one of you and for the support that you showed me along the way. I hope the year ahead brings you happiness, good health, and many moments worth celebrating. Thank you for being here. It truly means the world to me. Thank you so much, and happy crafting.